allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. Been around for a long, long year. Stole many men's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moments of doubt and pain. Made damn sure the pilot washed his hands, sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guessed my name. That's why puzzling you is the nature of my game. Stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was a time for change. Killed the Tsar and his ministers. Anastasia, she screamed in vain. I rode a tank, held a generous rank. When the ball quit play, raged the body stank. Well, pleased to meet you. Hope you guessed my name. That's why puzzling you is the nature of my game. Watch the glee while you kings and queens fight for 10 decades. For the gods they made, I shouted out. Killed the Kennedys when after all it was you and me. Let me please introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I laid the traps for the troubadour who gets killed before they reach Bombay. Pleased to meet you. Hope you guessed my name. That's why puzzling you is just the nature of my game. Oh yeah, get down, baby. Hope you guessed my name. That's why puzzling you is the nature of my game. Just as every cop's a criminal and all the sinners saints, as heads as tails call me Lucifer, 'cause I'm in need of some restraint. So if you meet me, have some courtesy, have some sympathy and some taste. Use all your well-learned politics, or I'll lay my soul to waste. Oh yeah, pleased to meet you. Hope you guessed my name. That's why puzzling you is the nature of my game. What's my name?